Too much history, have you make it so hard to live, yeah. What you do? Big man thing,
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha, whatever, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're back again with another hair video. I actually love making hair videos. Like, they're so fun to edit and they're just fun. They're not that fun to make, but they're just fun. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. As you could tell by the title, today we're going to be doing a protein treatment. So I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of information about what a protein treatment is and exactly what it does for your hair. And just to give you guys a little bit more information, I also want to put a disclaimer that this is the first time that I'm trying this. So we're both here doing this together for the first time. So if I do something wrong, don't judge me. I did do my own research. I'm going to link the video that I watched. She did really well at explaining it and just tell us like what the whole point of a protein treatment is. So as you guys know, if you watch my previous wash day videos, I do have a pretty big amount of breakage. I feel like I don't know if that's normal or not, but I feel like my hair shouldn't be breaking that much. So we're gonna do a protein treatment, and yeah. So now, what is a protein treatment? So basically, a protein treatment is a treatment that you would do on your hair if it is very dry and brittle, or if it is very mushy and overly saturated and hydrated. So if your hair is very mushy, like if your hair is wet and it breaks off, like it just snaps off, that's just probably because your hair is too it's overly saturated, like, and it's the pH is off. Okay, if your hair is very dry and brittle, that's also too because you need protein. It's just breaking off. And so when you do a protein treatment, it brings your hair back to the middle of the scale, and it kind of balances out your hair. And it basically, what it does, it, like, you know, you have your hair strands, it basically penetrates your hair strands and it creates, like, I don't know the exact word for it, but if you go to the video, she gonna tell you exactly what I'm trying to say. Basically, like, let's say for example you have a piece of rope, right? So like, you know, like when you're pulling on a rope and the strand, like parts of it start to break off. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's still holding on, but parts of it just kind of like starts to break off. Like, you know, like if somebody's holding on to a rope and they're falling, and then it slowly starts to like unravel and like break. You get what I'm saying? But it's still holding on, but it's like holding on and it's breaking and stuff. Basically, the protein treatment is gonna like bring the rope back together. Like, it's gonna, whatever's missing, whatever was causing the rope to rip, the protein treatment is gonna bring it all back. It's gonna put it right back in. So I don't know if one protein treatment just fixes all the problems right away. I really don't know. We're gonna find out today. Yeah, I'm gonna try to start doing a protein treatment every 6 to 8 weeks. So today is April 19th, 2023. I don't know when this video is coming out, okay? I'm gonna be honest, I'm backed up on content, but I love having content in the chamber. It's April 19th, 2023, so the next time we're gonna be doing a protein mask, next time we're gonna be doing a protein treatment is going to be in like end of May, beginning of June, like somewhere around there. That's the next time we're gonna be doing it. So I'm gonna show you guys the products that I'm gonna be using. Hold on. I fell in love with a gangster. I'm sorry, y'all. That Ice Spice and Nicki Minaj is just in my head. But anyways, so these are the products that I'm gonna be using. This is what I'm gonna be using. Afoji. I think that's what it is. I believe that's how you say it. First, you would go in with the shampoo for damaged hair. This is just simply off of reading the directions off of this. So this is the actual treatment right here. And on the back, you read the instructions and it tells you exactly what to do. You do not need to shampoo with this first. It's very much optional, but that's what the Bible says, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm following the directions. So first, you were going with the shampoo for damaged hair. And this shampoo is gonna gently clean your scalp and your hair strands. Oh, it also restores shine and helps strengthen hair, normalizes your pH balance in your hair. So that's the whole point of this protein mask. Then you're gonna go in with the 2-step protein treatment. My beauty supply only had the small version, so this is what I got. So yeah, my beauty supply only had the small version, so this is what I got. I'm gonna read the instructions to you guys really quickly so we can have an understanding. So step 1, gently cleanse your hair with the Afoji shampoo for damaged hair. Rinse thoroughly and towel bolt dry. Apply enough Afro-G treatment to thoroughly saturate hair and comb, blend through with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. So you want to try to get this all over your hair as much as possible. Leave hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic cap. Seat client under medium heat dryer with high airflow. So the alternative to this would be a hand dryer, but you should not be moving your hair around while you're having this. Do not agitate your hair. Don't touch your hair. Just take the blow dryer and blow dry. If you need to get in, because you know I have a fro, so if you need to get in there, you can lightly, very lightly. You do not want to be combing your hair, agitating your hair, nothing. When Afro-G treatment is dried into the hair becomes extremely hard. Do not comb or brush hair while Afro-G treatment is dried and in the hair. Y'all heard me? Okay. So now step number 4 is to re-wet and gently rinse thoroughly with warm water. Remove all excess dried protein, towel dry. So when they say towel dry, you don't really have to towel dry, because I'll tell you why. Apply Afro-G balancing moisturizer for hair and scalp. Leave on for 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. 6. Proceed the next service or style as usual. So basically you put this in all over your hair, comb through with the wide tooth comb, let it sit, let it completely dry from roots to end. Then you rinse it out, and then when you rinse it out, it says towel dry, but you actually don't have to towel dry, because the first step of this is use on wet hair to maintain moisture. Apply liberally to damp hair. After shampooing, massage gently into hair and scalp. Wait 2 minutes, rinse thoroughly, dry and style. Use as needed, and always use immediately after Afro-G 2-step protein treatment to restore softness. Yeah, so those are the vibes. I don't know, my beauty supply just had everything in different sizes. Like they had this big, they got this medium, then they got this small. Like what? So anyways, so yeah, let's go ahead and get into the shower and let's get started with this protein treatment. I hope I explained that good enough for y'all. If I didn't, I'll like put like the instructions in the description. Yeah, I'll do that, definitely. Okay, let's get into the shower. We are out of the shower. Ooh. So that's where I'm looking. This is my hair. She's real clean, period. Also, from the videos that I watched, people were saying that it's very sticky and it's this and it's that. So I'm just gonna put my t-shirt over my neck piece, because I don't want this stuff sticking to me like that. You feel me? Like I just took a nice shower. So I'm gonna start off by sectioning off my hair into 4 sections, just like I did in the shower. And, that shampoo did really well with cleaning my hair. I actually really enjoyed that. And detangling my hair with it was actually really easy. Like my hair is still very much detangled right now. So now we're gonna divide this section into 2, like so, because we're gonna have to comb through. I'm gonna just secure with a scrunchie. Oh my god, this is not staying on my neck. Fine, we'll just put her like this. I didn't want it to that, but whatever. Okay, so now we're gonna go with this. I'm low-key nervous and I'm a little ashy, but it's okay because I'm fresh out of the shower and I still look good, period. Use a generous amount and then distribute it all over your hair by combing through. I'm a little scared, I'm a little nervous, I'm a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. But we're about to do it. Here we go. Oh, it's like a liquid. Oh yeah, they said to like use a nozzle to put it on for like the best distribution, but I don't have that. So I'm just gonna, oh, why does it smell like that? I don't think I like that smell. So now I'm gonna comb through. You have to use like a decent amount of it and really saturate your hair in it. So that's what I'm trying to do here. I don't like the smell. I'm trying to comb through it right now. It smells like vinegar or something. I don't know. It smells like vinegar and glue, and I combed through. Moving on to the next section. I hope I'm putting enough. I'm gonna try to be as generous with the product as I possibly can, because I really don't know how much I'm really supposed to be putting. So now that section that I combed through, I cannot go back over and comb that through. Like, now I'm gonna comb through. Ooh. Okay, this section is better lubricated, I feel like, with the product. So what we did in this section is what we're gonna do for all the rest. Okay, that back section we're just gonna have to hope for the best. You feel me? Ooh, yo, what is going on with my hair? Why is she acting like this? I definitely feel like this section got more of it than the back here, but it's okay. The next 6 weeks we know what to do. So I'm just gonna go in and try to do smaller sections. Okay, generous amount. Make sure I'm getting my ends. Okay, comb through. Okay, all the way through. I'm trying to make sure I'm getting this on my edges too, because honey child, they need protein. They need the protein too, honey. Okay, I feel like that's what we're supposed to be getting. Next section. Oh, this is definitely sticky. Ew. But it's okay. I'm trying to make sure I get to my roots, honey. All the way down, because I have some shorter strands of hair that are like lower edges and all. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the next section. I'm gonna do that off camera. I feel like the back definitely needed some more, but it's okay. Oh my god, y'all, this is so sticky. Like, it hurt. I'm gonna do the next section off camera, and yeah, we'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished putting it in my hair. So I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer. Let me just double check the instructions. It doesn't say how long you're supposed to leave it on. Okay, so basically you just dry it until it becomes extremely hard. It says on, oh, let me see what setting it said. Medium heat with high airflow. Do I have a medium setting? I just have a low and high, okay? So I'm gonna put low heat. So, where is it? Warm, high. All right, y'all. So, this is so hard. Like, I made my dad feel it. But there's still, it's hard. It's very hard. I made my dad touch it, and he said it feels like you could literally break my hair. So now I'm about to go ahead and wash this out. And I'm gonna wash this out at the sink in my kitchen. I just got out of the shower, you know what I'm saying? But I will say that probably best to do this and then shower, because literally it's messy and it's sticky. Like, I cleaned it off of my arms and stuff, so like I'm fine, but it's pretty messy. So let's move to the kitchen and let's rinse, and then going with the conditioner. Okay guys, so I'm just here sitting in the sun because vitamin D. But yeah, I don't have any sunscreen on, so I'm really playing with fire right now, but it's okay. I love the sun. So now what I'm about to do is just go in with my TGIN leave-in conditioner and just go ahead and do my cornrows, because I have to slap a wig on my head tomorrow because, you know, hair influencer things. So this protein treatment was actually really fun. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off so we can all see what my hair looks like. I mean, you're not really gonna see anything visibly different You're not gonna see anything visibly different right away, but over time you'll have less breakage. But yeah, this is my hair. She's looking very clean. She's still fairly wet. Can you guys see it? I'm trying to make sure I have a good angle. But my hair feels very soft, very moisturized. It's not brittle at all. My hair is dripping, so I'm just gonna tie it back up. I'm gonna tie my hair back up, and I'm about to go eat because your girl is hungry. Okay, that process was long. I started my hair like 3-4 o'clock, and it's like it's 6 now. My camera's dying. So with that being said, I got that from Sean from the Poly couple on TikTok. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to love yourself, love your 4C hair, because it is beautiful. You just gotta learn how to, you know, you just gotta learn how to handle her, and she's not complicated, I promise. You just gotta get to know her. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All products that I use will be linked in my bio on my Amazon storefront. So if you want to buy anything, it's all linked down below. All my natural hair products are also linked in my Amazon storefront, if anybody was wondering. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, bye.